All right, building more on the crate. Here we go. Today we are going to build the floor. So yesterday and the day before that, we made bottom boards that had grooves in it, and today we're going to make a floor that goes into those grooves. So to get started, create, document. I am going to name this document create floor and get started. All right, so to get started, we're going to create that sketch. I am going to select my plane, right click, view normal sketch plane, and here we go. So our floor is going to be a rectangle. It is going to be a rectangle that is 12.5 by 15. And I'm going to go ahead and extrude that rectangle. And I'm only going to extrude it 1/4 inch. So this depth is different than other depths that we have used in the past. I'm only extruding it 1/4 inch. Now I know you guys are going to be really upset if we don't have to put any pre-drill holes in there, but believe it or not, we don't. This is our whole floor. We are ready to create this into a drawing. You know, this is Mrs. Martin moving around the classroom. Plus sign, create drawing. We're going to use a scale factor of 1:4. And place my floor in here. So here's my front view, side view, top view, isometric. Now ideally I don't want this coming off the paper, so I am going to move that view. I'm going to hit escape, and now I should be able to move this view. All right, now we're going to put some dimensions in here. Drawing a blank, sorry, there we go, dimension. So we are 12.5 by 15, and there's only 3 dimensions on this part, so enjoy your day. Please try to put these 3 in nice and neat, line them up, and please remember to turn them to fractions. This should be a nice, simple, easy project for you. I looked, my video's not even 3 minutes long yet. So enjoy your day, guys. Get outside, get some fresh air. If you have other assignments that you owe me, please get those in. Have a good one. Oh, Mrs. Martin remembered as she was getting off of here to remind you to make sure that you do a screenshot. Take that screenshot, and that screenshot is going to go inside your assignment right here with the slides that are assigned to you. So don't forget to do your screenshot. Have a good one, guys.